In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert checkboxes in Google Sheets. If you're building a to-do list, a project tracker, or any sheet where you want a quick yes or no indicator, checkboxes are a simple and powerful tool. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what to click and why it matters. First, open your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're on the correct tab and that the sheet is ready for checkboxes. Think about where you want them to live. You can place a checkbox in a single cell, in a group of cells, or across an entire column or row. To select a single cell, just click it once. To select a range, click the first cell, then drag your mouse to the last one. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can click the first cell, hold Shift, and click the last cell in the range to highlight everything in between. For an entire column, click the column letter at the top. With your target cells selected, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down that appears, choose Checkbox. Google Sheets will immediately insert checkboxes into all the cells you selected. If you chose a large range or an entire column, you'll see a checkbox in each of those cells ready to use. From here, you can simply click any checkbox to toggle it on or off. When a checkbox is checked, you'll see a small check mark appear. When it's unchecked, the box is empty. Behind the scenes, Google Sheets stores these as true when checked and false when unchecked. That means your checkboxes can do more than just look nice. They can power formulas, filters, and summaries, like counting how many items are done or showing only incomplete tasks. If you realize you put checkboxes in the wrong place, no worries. Use the undo option to step back, then select the correct cells and run through the same insert and checkbox steps again. You can also resize your columns a bit if the checkboxes look cramped, just to keep everything neat and easy to read. That's all you need to get started. Open your sheet, select where you want the checkboxes, click Insert, choose Checkbox, and then click to mark each item as done or not done. It's quick, clear, and instantly makes your spreadsheet more interactive and useful.